Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get this like really fun sunset look. So yeah, we're going to okay. So yeah, y'all just keep watching and we'll get started here. Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm going to go in with a concealer to help neutralize my eyelid. I'll be using Tarte Shape Tape today. I'm going to just do a little dab just like that. Next I'm going to grab my beauty blender and I'm going to just blend that all over my eyelid. And I'm going to grab this shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Eye Light palette and I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid. Now that I've set that, I'm going to grab this yellow shade from an old Coastal Scents palette. This yellow right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer crease and go ahead and blend it inward. Now focusing that yellow on the crease. I should reach for this palette a lot more often. It's super vibrant, very pigmented. Now we're going to switch colors and we're going to grab a pink shade. Looking at this pink and I really like it, so I think we're going to use this one. I had to turn on one of my lights. I forgot to turn on the softbox. Gotta make sure we got some lights up in here. I've said it before, this is one of my favorite blending brushes from the Anastasia palette. I love these brushes. Now I'm gonna just go back with a little bit of the yellow. I'm gonna very softly place it on top of the pink. And now with the opposite side, I'm going to place a little bit more burner and working out. I wanted to get that blend first and then go back and tack on some color. Taking it a little bit up at a time. I know I've been MIA. I'm so sorry, y'all. I've just been busy with life. Like when I first started with YouTube, I was like, this is gonna be so much fun, and it still is. It's just very time consuming, and I haven't done video in months. I'm like, man, how do these other girls do it? Like weekly videos and whatnot. I'm like, props to y'all, because it's definitely time consuming. Realo. Next I'm going to go in with Satin Skin from the Natasha Denona palette. I'm going to start placing that kind of like on top of the pink. Making more of that like halo. Flip over and then just blend that together a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this purple from this Makeup Forever palette, really focusing it on that inner and outer corner of the eye. Now we're going to go in with this blue from the same palette and start placing it about here. We're still going to leave the center a little bare. And I'm going to use this from the Alchemist Kat Von D palette. And I'm going to place that one in the center of the eye. Go back and grab a little bit of the blue. So, now that we've applied our mascara, tight lined, and put on some lashes, it's time for the foundation. So today I'm going to wear one of my absolute favorites. If you haven't already heard in my previous videos, I do live in Texas where it is like 100 degrees. I think yesterday we hit 110. It is hot. Luckily I work inside so I don't have to deal with it, but man, it is hot. Just walking to my car, I'm just like burning up. And I get in the car, I have a black car, and it's like freaking hot, y'all. It is hot. So anyways, I'm gonna be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, 24-hour wear, matte finish, great for my oily skin. I'm gonna mix it in with a few things. Mix in my Do the Hula from Benefit, this Amore Pacific Botanical Radiance Oil. I love this. It's amazing because it helps keep my skin super hydrated, but I'm not oily at all. Like, I can wear this combo in 110-degree weather and I am good to go. Oil actually helps balance out my skin. This also helps with redness, and it just gives you a really pretty radiant glow without looking oily, which is great. It does retail for $105, so it's a little pricey, but it's totally worth it. I'm going to start off by priming my face, and I'm going to use the Versali Rose Gold Elixir with a little bit of the Liquid Glow from Anastasia. I'm going to massage it into my hands and just put it all over my face. I absolutely love this Liquid Glow. It looks so pretty. I like to use it on top of my makeup as well as my highlight, but under my makeup it just looks stunning. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab our foundation, and as you can see, I don't have a pump for this, but that's okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand, mix in some of the bronzer because the foundation is just a hair too light for me. Now I'm gonna grab some of my Radiance Oil, and you don't need a lot at all, like about that much. The only thing I don't like about this, and it's not even the product itself, it's the packaging, is that the dropper, it just like shoots out. It's crazy. So now I'm going to mix these up. And then just dab a little bit on my face. Now with the butt of my beauty blender, I'm going to blend that in. Like, that oil is life-changing. I recommend it to everybody that I talk to that's oily. I'm like, y'all need to mix some beauty oils into your foundation. And y'all know I love me some full coverage, so I have to go with that stay. And then whatever I have left on my hand, I usually always just do that and then just like blend it into my neck. Now that I have foundation all over, we are going to go into some concealer. And today I'll use my Tarte Rainforest C. I bought it when it was on sale at Sephora for $13. I was like, that is a lick, because it's usually, I think, $26, so it's half off. You know I had to get me one. So we're just going to place a little bit in the under eye area. It looks like a lot of product, but it's really not. It's just whatever was on the brush. I don't like dip and grab a ton. So now we're going to grab our handy dandy beauty blender. And I lied because I need more concealer. I always scrape it on the lid though, because I just feel like there's too much on here and I'm not gonna use all that on my face. So just do a little bit more. Here I am lying, talking about it's not a lot of product, and then I go and dip again. Especially this eye, because I had way more fallout over here. And then I'm going to flip it over to the butt and just kind of blend that into the foundation a little bit more. Now with a little bit of a translucent setting powder, we're going to set the under eye area. Go back with a brush and dust it off. Now with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with a bronzer. MAC bronzing powder. Grab a little bit of that, dust it off. Put some on the forehead. Drag it down. Really drag it down because my chest is light. Now, of course, with my Nicole Guerrero, because y'all know that's my favorite highlight palette, I'm going to grab some Glow Getter. Grab a little bit, just put on, of course, on the highest points of the cheek. I'm going to grab my Kat Von D Contour Palette. Alright, just very lightly pinch it. Place a little bit there, a little bit here, and then just very lightly go up. Very lightly just feather it up. Now I'm going to grab my blush, and I'm going to grab, I can't open it, Party from Tarte. So now on to set, I'm gonna go with my Lila B Aglow Face Mist. I love the way it smells. We're gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm gonna do some lower lash color. I swear, this is my lifesaver. I have a ton of brushes, but I literally use the same one all the time because I'm like, why would I get more brushes? I'm gonna have to clean them, and nah. So that same yellow that I grabbed at the very beginning, we're gonna place it all along the bottom lash line. Next, we're gonna grab that pink shade with that blue from the Makeup Forever palette. And I forgot the purple, so we're gonna do the purple too. And then of course that last shade from the Alchemist palette. And the last shade will be Glow Getter. And we're gonna place that on the inner corner of the eye. And that really makes the eye pop. It just brings so much more light to the eye. And now I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. This is the white eyeliner Santa Monica Boulevard from NARS. And I'm gonna do my lower lash line. And tonight, since I'm gonna go out with my girls, we're gonna go to happy hour. I don't drink though, so I'm gonna just kind of drink water and chips and salsa, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair, but I just want to tell y'all about this dry shampoo from IGK. It is incredible. It is the first class charcoal detox dry shampoo, so it really helps get in there and cleanse your scalp, because you know, after a while your hair starts to smell funky because of the oils and just whatever, you know. And this really helps clean it. It helps make it feel and smell fresh. I love it. Shake, shake, shake. Spray that in. I love giving myself scalp massages. Oh, they're the best. So just work that in. Gives you some texture, as you can see. And now I'm gonna curl it, and I will be back. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank y'all so much for coming by and checking out my video. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I really hope that y'all learned something new from me today. Don't forget about that radiance oil trick. Like, it is life-changing. Y'all see how I look glowy, but I'm not oily. Like, my skin just looks so healthy right now. I love it. If you have any questions, any comments, anything, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any recommendations, anything like that. I'd love to hear your feedback. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed everything, and you'll see me next time. Bye.